Y'all see the sexy smooth wax inspired slippers, baby. Golden Allure on the floor. Tickled Pink, what do you think? Cherry Desire, it be on fire. And Hypnotic Purple Seduction. I ain't got nothing for that. But yeah, we're going to put all these waxes in one. So let's get to it. Okay, beautiful already. Like, I don't know what to say. It just looks really nice, guys. Now, y'all know I just do this for fun, shits and giggles. I like to see pretty stuff. It's just the aesthetic side of content creation. It don't do nothing special when you mix them. Obviously, all the waxes are bomb, so we know it's going to produce great results. Let's go ahead and take this off because I'm so anxious. And my little niece underarms be hairy. It don't look like she got much there, but I promise you, look at that. Ooh, look at that. I can see a little bit of all the colors in there. Oh, God, that girl hairy. Oh, Lord. Okay, so let's do the other side. This particular underarm for her hair is kind of grow in two directions, and the other one's kind of weird. It kind of grows a majority in one way, but we're going to get it together nonetheless. So I could have applied this thinner, but where's the fun in that? I really just wanted to see the sexiness go on, and it goes on so smooth. I completely see why it's called Sexy Smooth Wax. Don't forget, you can get any one of these bags of wax on sale. Okay, don't forget August 16th, I'll be giving some away as well to all my supporters. Guys, look at this. That is so beautiful. I think I might save it. Definitely gonna save it and frame it. All right, aftercare time. And yeah, she's been exfoliated. She just slacking, okay? We have to get Auntie's baby together. Thanks for watching.